So I took a little snowshoe trek out here this morning. So we had a lot of snow, and then we had a mix of freezing rain and a bunch of garbage. And with this last storm, I was really thinking, this wood stack I got out here would collapse by now. So anyway, it's kind of nice right now. It's in the 20s, which feels like a heat wave after the 22 below zero we had with wind chill factor of minus 47. So anyway, it's nice to be out this morning. And I come out just to take a peek at my bush camp. And I want to show you the biggest snow cone ever. That looks like a white tarp. It's not. That's all snow. That's my teepee, latrine there. And the snow is just encrusted around it. Look at that. And my bush camp's still standing, man. I got a snow cone, man. Wonder what the other side looks like. Oh, there's no snow on this side. I am thrilled that none of this has collapsed. Oh, being out here though makes me want to come out here. Probably within a day or two. I gotta come out here and spend some time. There's not even any snow in it, man. Everything is just as I left it. That's pretty cool. Yeah, I wanted to share that with you. Well, hey everyone. I've been working on some really cool projects for the bush camp here, and that was my intention for a video this weekend, but some things have come up and I've got to switch gears and go in a different direction. But like I always say, you know, life throws you some curves and you just got to roll with it, so that's what we do. So now I'm rolling in a different direction than intended. But that's all right. Maybe I'll get that stuff taken care of and have this video out in the middle of the week. That's my goal for this week. Anyway, first and foremost, just recently on my channel here, I noticed where someone is making responses to comments that my subscribers left on a recent video. And they are responding to that using my profile picture. So it looks like me. Okay, they're saying, congratulations, you won some prize, they're looking for your information. Well, that's not me. If at ever, any time I'm going to offer you a prize, I'm going to do it in this manner so you know that it is me. Okay, so don't be scammed by this garbage. And if you ever see anyone using my profile picture or any of my content on another video or another platform, please reach out to me and let me know. My profile picture is copyrighted material, and using it is illegal on so many levels. And when you're using my picture to scam you, well, that really pisses me off, all right? So be safe. If you see my mug out there somewhere, let me know. Okay, so that's out of the way. Another thing real quick that I wanted to share with you is I learned this recently. When I would shop at, let's say, one Tractor Supply and then I went to another, I always figured, just assumed, that the prices were the same. From one Home Depot to another, one Tractor Supply to another. Well, I just learned that they're not. And I wanted to pass this on to you because a lot of folks, like myself, need to stretch their pennies and their dollars as far as possible. So, I got an email from Tractor Supply saying President's Day sale, and I saw that they have the black oil sunflower seed. So I look at the price, and it was $34.99, and I'm like, wow, you know, that's like crazy. There's no bargain. And I noticed I was shopping at the Hillsborough store. So then I keyed in the Claremont store, which is another store that we shop at, and it was $26.99 at the other store. that's like $8. So I looked at a few different other products, and there were more money in Hillsboro than they were over in Claremont. So I just wanted to pass this on to you folks, because when you're going to go to like a Tractor Supply, check another nearby store, because it might be able to save you a few bucks. I mean, we were going to pick up a few things, and the money we saved by going to the other store, we could get a box of wine. And that's good backwoods logic here at the camp. I've got these birds here, and I just love them, as you know. You know, sometimes we look out the window, we've got all these squirrels. Sometimes there's almost a dozen squirrels here on the ground, and we love their antics. They're just hilarious. Simple pleasure right out the window. That's why we keep this cable with the bird feeders right out the window here. Unfortunately, at times the bears come right out the window here, as I've shown you. But there's pros and cons to everything. And then the other day I look out, and there's a woodpecker, which is not uncommon, and he gets some seed, and he's got a little hole in the trim over here on the shed, and he was stuffing the hole with sunflower seeds. Then he'd go back and get some more from the feeder and go back and put more in. And I've never known that they did that. That was pretty cool. So also another thing, I got a few presents in the mail recently. Our friend Alan always sends us a case of fresh Florida oranges every winter, which is such a treat for us. So I wanted to just say thanks again, Alan. They're very much enjoyed. But I just recently got another present. I got a beautiful hardcover book about the life of Dick Proenneke. What a beautiful book this is, and I'm just loving it. But I don't know who sent it. There was no other name in it. I haven't gotten any emails from anyone or comments from anyone, so I don't know who sent the book. And so please, whoever sent it, reach out to me, because I want to thank you personally. This is just unexpected and just a wonderful gift, and I've been enjoying thumbing through this. It's really, really great. So thanks again. So that's just it for now, folks. I wanted to just put out these this little update, and hopefully in the middle of the week I'll have my projects in action, and I think you're going to like them. And I hopefully what I'm working on will work, and we will find out together. All right, folks, that's it for now. All the best, and God bless.
Frankie and the boss out walking in the woods, living life happy and free. Tracks in the snow everywhere they go. There's a pokey way up in that tree. A beaver built a pond where they have some fun, taking life a day at a time. Best friends until the end. Frankie and the boss. Frankie and the boss. Frankie and the boss.